Overthinking, the art of creating new problems out of the ones that never existed in the first place. Sometimes the worst place you can be is in your own head. Hello friends, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to Life Tour. I am Zubair. Hope you guys are really doing well in life. I thank you all for watching our all previous videos. I wish you a very happy Ramadan. Before starting today's video, I'd like to request that there is a channel named as If versus But that is spreading hate and abusive content towards our Islam. I'd like to request all of you to report this channel as soon as possible. Friends, today I'd like to talk about a burning problem of today's youth, overthinking. One of the most common things that gets people stuck in inaction and in not doing what they deep down would like to do is a destructive habit of overthinking. We overthink a small problem until it looks like a huge and undefeatable monster. We must remember that no problem is a problem until it has been accepted as a problem. A problem is not a problem, but it is your attitude towards the problem. Classic definition of overthinking is to think about something too much or for too long. It's human nature to think and make decisions or evaluate a situation. It becomes overthinking when we cannot get it out of our own heads. We all experience events that cause us worry and stress. Worry about the future, making predictions about unlikely events that have not happened yet. We also ruminate about the past, hence build a habit of negative self-talk in our minds. But at the same time, we are unaware that the thoughts are powerful. Our thoughts become our reality. Whatever we hold in our mind on a consistent basis is exactly what we experience in life. And this is something that the world's most successful people have realized. And the only difference between them and everyone else is that they have learned how to harness the power of thoughts. Hence, end up the cycle of overthinking. One golden statement over here: we all should spend 90% of our time focusing on the opportunities of today, rather the problems of yesterday and tomorrow. Dear overthinkers, we are so anxious about what will happen in future that we do not enjoy the present. The result being we don't live either in the future or in the present. We end up living a feeling that we are never going to die and then die never having truly lived. I repeat, we are so anxious about what will happen in future that we do not enjoy the present. The result being we don't live either in the future or in the present. We end up living a feeling that we are never going to die and then die never having truly lived. Stop overthinking right now. Enjoy the now of your life. Start living in the now of your life. The best moment you can live is the now of your life. People ask themselves how to stop overthinking. Before you can learn how to stop overthinking, you must remember that you were not born an overthinker. You have learned it, and whatever learned can be unlearned. You must first address the question, why do I overthink? Quite often, overthinking is a byproduct of anxiety or depression. In that case, you need to treat your anxiety and depression to reduce overthinking. In the next video, I'll come up with 10 different ways to stop overthinking. Stay blessed, stay happy, and enjoy the now of your life. And don't forget to report the YouTube channel I was talking about in the beginning of the video, If versus But. Drop us a like, comment, and share our videos. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to stay tuned. I'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care.